Hey guys, it's Igga from Tia and Igga, and today I am going to be talking about fidget cubes. Yep. So yeah, let's get on with the video. So one of these is a fake and one of these is a real. I'll give you a few seconds to decide which one is fake or which one is real. So this one's actually fake because, as you see, this one, it looks probably a bit worse, but it actually looks more high quality in real life. So this thing is a fake. You know this one is a fake because it does not click when you do this. And this it's really loud. The ball, it does not really spin. It spins well that way, but not that way. These, they are very firm, and that button is broken. And that is, it falls out sometimes. I mean, look, it's easy, just take it out. And on the other hand, this one is real. It spins really easily around. It's not that hard to use. It does press down, but much better. And all of the buttons work, not like the other one. And the actual switch works. So as you can see, this one's much more high quality and it's not a fake. And I have got this one for only £2.50 and this one was £5. So normally I'd probably go for the cheaper ones because for you guys they're probably better, because this one was much more like, it was just bad, and this one I got it today and it's really good. I think you guys should go get the cheaper ones in like personal preferences for me. And yeah, so anyways, this is technically how to spot a fake: when your switch don't work and the other one does, when the little rolly ball thing is very hard to like actually move, and these things, and if this just pops out like that, I don't think that's normal. Yeah, so anyways, that was the end of the video, and that's how to spot a fake. So see you guys later in the next video. Comment down below what I should do next and like what video suggestions. Subscribe, like, share, all down below there, like somewhere over there, and like over there. And turn on them post notifications so you get notified of every video we make. So I will see you guys later. Bye!